Hello, this is Anthusa Helena, the founder and developer of Sollite. Sollite is utilizing the light of your own soul for healing and conscious awakening. For more details and information, log on to www.sollite.com. Sollite is spelled Sollite. Today we are going to be doing a soul merge meditation. This will enable you to fully understand and experience what it is like to sit in your own light and experience the truth of your authentic self. So find a comfortable place, either sitting or lying down, that you can have some peaceful, quiet time for yourself to open and experience your own soul. We will begin with utilizing the breath to help us open and come into a deeper, more receptive state of relaxation. Relaxation is very important and gives you the ability to connect on deeper levels of your own soul. We're going to start with inhaling 3 times. As you inhale, I want you to hold your breath as long as you can, and then exhale slowly with your mouth open, allowing the breath to just relax you and bring you into a deeper state of relaxation. Do this at your own rate and speed. Even if I am still talking you through this, allow yourself to breathe at your own rate and speed and enjoy going into these deeper levels. So inhale, hold your breath as long as you can. Feel as you're holding your breath as long as you can, the energy building throughout your body. When you are ready, you can open your mouth and slowly exhale with the intention of just letting go. Letting go of everything on all levels: mind, body, emotions, of anything that has happened to you during the day up until this point. Second round, inhale, hold the breath as long as you can. Again, holding that breath allows you to feel the energy starting to build within your body. Opening your mouth, allowing your jaw to relax. Exhale this time with the intention of bringing yourself into the present moment, into the here and now. Often we leave fragmented parts of ourselves throughout the day in situations, places, conversations, interactions. So we want to bring all those fragmented parts of ourselves back into the present moment, into this time. Inhaling again the 3rd time, holding the breath as long as you can. Feel that energy throughout your body wherever you're having the sensations. This time exhaling with relaxed, open mouth, with the intention to become open and receptive to receive. You want to open yourself on all levels, like the pores on your skin, and every cell within your body is just opening like a sponge, ready to drink and receive whatever it is that is in your highest and best interest in receiving at this moment in time. You receive from your own highest, most enlightened aspect of your soul. And for some of you, the word God may be used, but it is the God of your own understanding, whatever your religious background or orientation or your own spirituality connection. It is within your own God of your own understanding and how you experience that. Now we want to begin to connect the mind, the mental, intellectual mind with your heart. Visualize that in whatever fashion that you do, possibly coming down step by step on a beautiful ornate staircase. As you slowly take one step down and then another, bringing your mind closer to your heart space. You could also use the visualization or an image of a pole of light that is connecting the mind with the heart space and allowing yourself to slide down that beautiful pole of light to enter into the space of your heart. Once you have found yourself in your heart space, there could be a feeling of expansion, of peacefulness, of just a restful place. You want to now expand that feeling by opening your heart space. You can imagine doing that once again in whatever fashion that you do. Possibly visualizing a beautiful flower, a rose, as each petal starts to open and bloom. Or opening a window in a beautiful room to allow the air to flow through. Or just even opening the curtains in a room to allow the light to shine in. However you feel yourself opening the center of your heart space, visualize that and utilize it in your own mind at this moment. You are the one in control to how fast, how slow, how open, how wide you would like this to happen. Gently allow yourself to open your heart space. Now, once you start to experience the heart center opening, we want to go through various layers of your heart so that you can connect with your soul. Again, visualizing yourself traveling through these different layers within your heart in whatever fashion that is best suited for you. Possibly drawing veils away, beautiful scarves, or entering into different rooms within your beautiful home. Opening the doors, one room and then another, coming into a more sacred space within yourself as you go deeper and deeper through the various layers of your heart. As we travel within the body and the heart center, we find ourselves in our spine, or right behind our spine in between the shoulder blades. There is a small opening behind the shoulder blades, behind the spine, that is an entrance into the soul and the layers of the soul. Allow yourself to feel as if you're entering that opening in the back of your spine that will be more in your energy field and beyond your body than the heart space was. So entering into the levels and layers of your soul by coming through the back of your spine. Again, allowing yourself to go through the various layers of your soul in whatever fashion that you visualize doing so. Again, taking away veils or curtains or scarves of illusion, or walking from one room to another as the doors open, coming into a more lighted or space of expansion and peacefulness. You are coming and creating your sacred space in doing so, reaching to the point of your highest, most enlightened aspect of your soul, or whatever you would like to call it or are accustomed to naming it. Whether it is connecting with your higher self, or universal intelligence, or source, or God, a specific name that you are familiar with God, you are coming into closer proximity to the God of your own understanding in your sacred space of your soul. God or Source is always near us, to us. It's as near to us as the hair on our skin, or as close to you as your jugular vein, always within reach. It is us as humans that create the distance just through daily living and what distracts us in our events of the world. So, as you enter into the deepest, highest, most level of your soul, you are coming into closest proximity to your beloved universal source, the God of your own understanding, the God that is within you, your true, authentic self. At this point in time, you may wish to bow. You may wish to bow to your higher self, to the God of your own understanding, by having recognition that you are in the presence of this sacred space, with praise and thanksgiving in your heart, in your soul, for giving yourself this time to connect with your soul and your beloved. Now that you are in this sacred presence, it is time for you to create or ask for your intention for this time spent together in healing and opening of conscious awakening. You may do that in whatever prayerful fashion that you are accustomed to, or you may follow my words to assist you. Beloved Divine Father, Mother, God, Divine Essence, I thank you for this special time that we have set aside to spend together. I am open to receive whatever it is you wish to bestow upon me at this moment in time. Your love, your healing, your mercy, your compassion, your understanding, wisdom, guidance, your trustworthiness, your friendship, your protection, your holiness. In your presence, I praise you and give you honor for being the utmost friend and giver of abundance and life. At this point in time, I would like you to spend a moment in silence to be able to ask and request of whatever it is that you would like to receive, and be specific in asking what it is that you would like, whether it is in guidance or whether it is opening for abundance or bringing more love into your life, or if there is a specific healing that is needed for you, or possibly for a friend or family members, parents, siblings, children, whatever is your concern and whatever it is you would like. For they say, ask and you shall receive. Knock and the door shall be opened. So I will give you some quiet time at this moment to develop your own intention, your own prayerful request at this moment to your beloved, your highest, most enlightened aspect of your soul, your highest, most enlightened aspect of your soul, the God that is within you, the God that you are. Now just allow yourself to sit in silence and be open and receptive to receive whatever it is that the God of your own understanding wishes to bestow upon you at this moment in time. Attempt not to try to do anything. Just experience whatever is happening. Be in acceptance of what is. It is best to just let go of who is trying to meditate. Let go of who is trying to receive. And just experience whatever is happening without judgment, without doing, without trying. Just be. Eventually, you will get to a complete point of silence. Silence is the key. In this silence, you will receive what it is that you have requested. Don't worry about trying to remember what is happening or what you are receiving. It will all come back to you at the end when you come back into a more awakened conscious state. So allow yourself to just relax, let go, and drift. Be open to release whatever no longer serves you in your life. Be open to align with your highest, most enlightened aspect and purpose of your life's plan. Just allow yourself to experience without doing or trying at this moment. I will give you time to be in silence so that you can experience this state.